masasabi mo na included ka, of course, sa Alas Pilipinas wish list?
Ano po, grateful po kasi isa rin naman po sa dream ko yun is ma-represent po yung bansa natin. Pero syempre, tryout pa lang po kasi yun, so hindi ko pa po talaga sure. And kung will po talaga ni Lord na maglaro for national team, why not po? So yun. Nakaka-boost po siya ng confidence at moral po at mas nagiging motivated ako ang galingan pa more kasi nakikita nila yung potential ko as a player.
Paano ang lessons na nilook forward mo matuto? Kasi syempre, rookie ka pa lang here. So, ano yung lessons na gusto mo matuto kung sakali masama ka na dati mo sa
Kung paano po sila maging kalmado sa loob ng court and kung paano nila i-handle yung mga challenges sa loob ng court ng much better kesa sa siguro on how I handle things.
Tuwad lang, tuwad match. Alam masabi mo lang, marami ka rin mga kasama doon na kalaban mo rin to sa UAE. Sina Angel at saka yung ibang pako sila. Amy Provido, Manalo.
Ano po, syempre, ano rin po sila, yung mga veterans din po talaga sila. Matagal na po sila lumalaro sa UAAP. So, I think marami po talaga akong matututunan at marami rin po sila sa aking maipapayo in playing po talaga. So, looking forward po talaga sa kanila.
Naging part ako ng wish list. But, ayun, thankful ako kasi sa tryout na yun, parang feel ko sa mga nakitaan din nila ako ng potential para isa rin sa wish list. Kaya, I'll give my best every day.
Ako naman very happy kasi nakabalik ulit ako sa Alas and very happy. Excited ako to gain experience pa pagdating sa international league kasi iba talaga yung competition.
Siguro ano na lang tingin yung sinasabi nito about dun sa program ng NU na nakaka-produce ng players na kumbaga yung caliber is good for the national team?
Siguro kasi since high school, parang pinupok na talaga kami na compete sa mataas na liga. So, ngayon, challenge naman kami pagdating sa seniors naman. So, ayun.
At syempre, honored and thankful. But at the same time, we're still playing in this league. We're still playing in the UAAP. So, for now, focus muna kami doon and let's see what happens next after this. Pero yeah, focus kami sa team, focus kami on what we are doing right now kasi mahirap na pag nawala yung focus namin. But yeah, we're so thankful and honored to be part of that list.
Same din kay Ate Lia. Thankful din sa opportunity. Nagulat nga lang din ako na nandun yung name ko. Pero yun nga, yung sinabi na ate, na nasa season kami ngayon, so dito lang muna kami mag-focus and ito yung unahin namin.
The same, I'm pretty sure Atelia really summed it all up. Of course, it's a big honor for us, but at the same time, we're still in the UAP season. We still have our own goal to keep going through, and that's just another chapter that we're not focused on right now.
Sir, just what does it say na lang about the LaSalle program per se na yun nga, tatlo kayo and then there's Angel also and even before you guys, daming LaSalle players na talaga nagsashine for our national team?
Siguro nandun yung tiwala ng national team sa system ng LaSalle and at the same time, LaSalle has been winning championship the past few years. So, syempre yung tiwala and at the same time, parang maybe they wanna adapt something na natututunan ng players. But yeah, ayun.
Of course, I'm very happy with how I'm growing as a player, but I know that in a way I'm still a rookie, I'm still learning, I'm still trying to improve, and this is all just really a blessing, and I'm just happy to be in this right now and have this opportunity.